a particular document, or let's say a particular file, from one channel to another channel in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can move or share a particular document from one channel to the other. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is click onto this communities tab over the left hand side. And as here you can see, I have two different communities with two different channels. So this one is the random channel one, and this one here is the general discussions of another channel. So now let's say you want to move a particular document which is right here from this channel to this channel, or just want to share it. So if you will simply right click onto this, you can see that there is no such option to share this message or from here as well. So in this particular thing, what you can do is either you can click onto this copy link button, or also apart from that, what you can do is go to this document and then from here choose the document link. So what this will do is that it will copy either the document link if you have clicked from here, or the particular message link if you have clicked here. For better transparencies and for better privacy, you can simply click the document link itself and then go to that particular channel where you want to share this, and then from here go to post and type that particular link as a message, and then click onto this post option so that the other person can also view this particular file if they have the access. So this is one of the only ways like how we can do this. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.